Oh, the van's being pushed on a conveyor belt. Here comes all the soapy soap. Look at the different colors. Isn't that cool? Yeah, well, those will be side brushes and more brushes coming now. These ones are a little louder. Here comes the green and flashing light colors. Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
Right, now we gotta go through the big air blowers. Now here comes the ceramic spray. And here comes the big blowers.
Whoa,
There are gonna be more. The brake and then let it slide out. And then they're going to do a fast wipe job.